Hi everyone, today I'm talking about the visual scripting in the Unity. I'm Hao Tianxie, and you can call me Dylan. And the system I want to research is the VFX, which we mean the visual effect graphic, and they will make a fire and a smoke. Here is the tutorial I followed. In the end, we will make the fire and the smoke. They will look something like this in the picture, or we can show you in the Unity, like they will look like this. So at first, how to make the VFX? First, you need to use the high definition RP. Actually, you can use the 3D, but they will don't show in any particle after I try this. So the high definition RP should be the best pattern to use. After this, you need to load the visual effect on the graphic on the Unity. First, go to the Windows and the Package Manager and research here in the visual, and you can see the visual effect graphic, and you should install it. After this, you can just right click on the hierarchy and just make a new visual effect. Then here is the visual effect, the VFX, how they create it. So let's show you. So how we make this one? When we make the effect, they were showing something like this. This we call the visual scripting. For the left is about the smoke, which we looking like this. And the right left is about the flame on the smoke. You can see the inside the smoke, there's some flame or sparking. First, let's talk about smoke. The rate is about the rate that how particle or those smoke, the spawn rate. And the capacity is how many particle that will make, like 128 is what how many particle here, like the smoke. And for the velocity, he was saying that where he like to fly from the bottom to the height. And the angle is also is where the particle will going, like going along the z, you see. And the lifetime is from 5 to 9. It means that how long the particle will live in Unity. And those things is about how the smoke will move. And when on the update here, we can say that we make the frame rate like he will in every 8 frame they will like move. And the force is mostly like the gravity, something like this. And we make the velocity move up, like minus, so they will move up. What we make the particle size like the smoke will small when we not change this. So we change the particle size and the smoke will look more bigger then. For this output is what we think the things that output is the particle output. And here the basic color map is the important, like we need to find some smoke map, or we call the normal map for the smoke, like what they look like. You can search those texture on the online, and I just found it by myself. And set the size over life. They mean that the smoke will bigger and bigger over the time, and this multiply size. The size is too small at first, and you need to multiply this until the 2 times. Like if I make this to 1, you will see that they're quite small. So I need 2. This look better. And then the oriental face camera position. What this means is like if we change we make this so the smoke will move with the camera position. But if we make this like the fix, oh, it is too slow. Like if we make the fix, you will see that on some reason they will not you can't see those smoke here. They will not move with the camera, so sometimes we may not see the smoke here. So we need to make it to the face camera position. And you can see that he will change every position when the camera move. They mean that in any position they look in the same way. And set the color of life, they mean that when you change those things, and the color will be more like a more black, more orange, in a very orange to little orange, like the destiny. Yeah, this how they change the color. And what we do in the multiply color, that mean that we can change color by easily by just make a new color things. And when you change this, you can just change this color in here. And he is reference to this one. This one will change the color, and you will change whole color of this smoke. Like if I change to red one, see it will be very red. So this is how this work for the color things. So this is how they make for the smoke. And for the right one is about the flame inside the smoke. You see that something here, the flame make it look like the fire here. Also, it's the same thing, it's the particle, but we don't make the particle have the map now because this we just use the particle, not smoke, so we don't need the map. And yeah, those things almost same to the smoke. We just need to copy the movement of the smoke from the update to the particle, and we change the color to like the flame, and that's this. This finish. So this is how they make the fire and the smoke. So this is how the VFX we call the visual effect graphic work, and how this doing in the tutorial. That's all. Thank you.